Hello, few. I think you are doing in the wrong place. So now teacher will record it for you and you can have a look carefully, okay? Yes, so what you have to do, this one, okay? You will find your class, right? The class is 63 slash 34. The same, but this is for teacher. Now I want to log in as a student for you. So have a look carefully. Example, this is I am a student in this one. You go to classwork. You stream classwork people. You go here, okay? Click here. And then you will see the assignment, right? You will see assignment. So when you see the assignment, you click on it. Yes, you click on it and then you find don't write here, do not write here, okay? This is for comment, but what you write it's over here. This is very important, okay? You're right here, and in case of you just leave your Facebook link to me there. That's it. So important, find the word turn in, don't go to comment, okay? Yeah, turn in. And once you already put your link there, you just click turn in and automatically I will get your video. That's it. Very easy and very simple, okay? Thank you. I hope this video will help you.